Hi, hello everyone. How are you all? Hope you are all doing well with your best of health. Again, welcome back to the new video here. And in this video, we are going to discuss about the rules for differentiation. In last class, we discussed about the differentiation. For example, if there is a physical quantity I'm taking here, any object, its length is L. Okay, this is total length. The part of that length, we can take that one as, I will take here one small part of the length. I can call this one as delta L, differentiated. Correct now? Further, if I'll go with a extremely small part of this material, like this, it is extremely small. We can call this dl. This is the differential term of this, the function L. Correct. In this way, I actually started and I told how to differentiate. For example, if there is a function, I will take f of x is equals to the function value I will take here x square. Okay. I want to differentiate this. What I want to do? I want to differentiate this with respect to x. If the function is x, the differential term also should be in terms of x. So I will treat here d by dx of x. Sometimes we'll treat like this, y is equals to f of x, means function. In that cases, we can say like that, it is nothing but d by dx of y. Okay, here the y value, it is nothing but x square. So what you will do? D by dx, differentiation term. Which function you are differentiating here? You need to put that value in this case, that is x square. So differentiating this, it is in the format of x to the power n. So what is the answer you will get? 2 and x to the power 1. And else simply we can say it is 2x. Correct now? This is differentiation. Or else they will say like that, y is equals to x to the power 2. Find, what they will say? Find dy by dx. So the answer will come similar. Okay, but in this class, we are going to learn about the rules for differentiation in addition, subtraction. Simply, I can say like that in arithmetic operation, how to apply the differential equations. Okay, like arithmetical operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, let's go one by one. For example, along with the example, we'll treat. Okay, here there is a function f of x. Okay, it is nothing but y I told. Its value is equals to, I'm taking here x square plus x cube. Okay, simply I will write this f of x value as equals to y. Okay, what is the y value? X square plus x cube. This is the question with the given. Okay, you may write the question in this format or upper format. Both are actually same. Coming to the point, now I want to calculate dy by dx. Now if I want to calculate dy by dx, till now actually we calculate only for the single terms. Now it is along with one more term, addition. When addition will come, simple, what all you need to do means the same differential term you need to do 2 times along with the arithmetical operation. Means d by dx of first term is x square plus d by dx of, again second term is x cube. For both the function you need to differentiate with respect to x. Then what is the answer? First term if you will differentiate, that is x square. It is in the format of x to the power n. So what will be your answer? It's very simple. 2x plus, here it will be 3x. This is the answer for dy by dx. Hope it is understood. Correct now? We'll solve 2 more questions. Then we'll understand better. Clear my point? Now I'll go with one more question. The question says here, y is equals to x to the power 7 plus sin x. Okay, now we have to differentiate this with respect to x. What we need to do? Differentiate with respect to x. Now what will be your answer? Now dy by dx is equals to, differentiate each and everything, means d by dx of first term, what it is they mentioned here, x to the power 7, plus again differentiation we have to do for another term, that is sine x. Okay, now first term it is in the format of x to the power n. So answer will be, bring the power first, and for the power what you need to do, whatever the original value it has, for that you need to subtract with -1. So answer will be 7 minus 1 plus differentiation of sine x is trigonometric function we did yesterday, it is cos x. So answer will be 7x to the power 6 plus cos x. This is the answer. Hope you understood. We'll go with one more. Good. Listen. Question says here, y is equals to x to the power 4 plus 3x square plus 4. Okay, now we have to differentiate this equation with respect to x itself. Differentiate this with respect to x. Now first term, dy by dx of first term differentiation, d by dx of x to the power 4 plus 3, it's a constant. When there is a product with constant, take that constant outside and differentiate the term what they given, plus last one is d by dx of 4. Now first term, here it is dy by dx is equals to x to the power 4 differentiation, 4x to the power -1, 4 minus 1, right? It is 3 plus 3 as itself. Differentiation of x square, shift the power first, 2. X to the power 2 minus 1, it is 1. Simple, it is x plus this is 4 constant. Constant of differentiation I told yesterday, it is 0. So the final answer dy by dx should be equals to 4x cube plus 3 into 2, 6x. This is your answer. Okay. Good. I think it is understood. Will we solve one more? In addition only, we'll go with a different format. Question next. The function they given y is equals to 3 sin x plus 4 cos theta. It is more than. Okay. Now we need to differentiate this with respect to theta. Now I'm saying with differentiate with respect to theta means we have to differentiate this y with respect to theta, not with respect to x. Okay. First point, here it is d by d theta of 3 sin x. Correct now? Plus second one is 4 is constant, you may take outside, and d by d theta of cos theta. Correct my point? Now coming to the point here. In this first term, we need to differentiate with respect to theta, but the function is x. X and theta are not related here. Means now with respect to theta, x is constant. If x is constant, then the first term answer will become 0. Plus second term 4. Differentiation of cos theta, it is with respect to d theta only I'm doing, minus sin theta. So dy by d theta for the given configuration, answer will be -4 sin theta. Hope it is understood to each and everybody here. Clear? This is the rule which is present in actually addition. Addition means simple. Whatever the things are there in additional factor, we need to differentiate in terms of addition. If it come in terms of subtraction, what you will do? Same thing, nothing to worry. we'll discuss that one also one question. First question I will discuss here. Question is equals to y is equals to 4x cube minus 3x square. Now we have to differentiate this with respect to x. Okay, will we discuss? Look, differentiation dy by dx with respect to x only I told. First term 4x cube. Here product is there. Whenever it will become in terms of product, constant, keep constant as itself. Okay, differentiate the term or its function with respect to the given. Correct now? Minus. If it is minus, place is minus 3 d by dx of x to the power 2. Now 4, 3 is there now. Shift this 3 here. It will be 4 into 3 x square power 1 we need to decrease. 3 into shift the power 2. Differentiation of x square is x. Okay, so answer will be 12x square minus 6x. This is dy by dx. Okay, now these are all the random questions which I took here. So in that order you need to calculate. That's all, apart from nothing. Okay, will be discuss one more question. Here I will take the question. Okay, very interesting. Let's check how many of you will do this question. For example, y is equals to, I have here root of sin x. Root of sin x. No, we'll go with a basic one. Basic is root x. What you will do, root x? Simple. What we need to do now? Differentiate this one with respect to x. Simplify this first. Shall I write this x root value x to the power 1 by 2? That's all. It came in the format of basically x to the power n. So now differentiate this one. Dy by dx. With respect to x only we need to differentiate. Shift the power first. 1 by 2. X to the power. X to the power. Look here. 1 by 2 minus 1 of minus 1. Minus 1 by 2 it was. So answer will be 1 by 2 x to the power minus 1 by 2. This power will become positive if you will take it into denominator. So answer 1 by 2 x to the power 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 can be written as root 2. So answer will be 1 by 2 root x. Means differentiation of root x value is 1 by 2 root x. Clear my point? Always, if it is in the format of root x, it will be 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. Okay, directly we'll solve one more question. The question says here, y is equals to under root of sin x. Again, we can do the same thing. Here, what we need to do, I will do that one in a side. First, we can write this one as sin x to the power 1 by 2. And differentiation, first you will take the power side 1 by 2 sin x to the power, how much it was? Sin x to the power, it will be minus 1 by 2. Okay, now then 1 by 2. If it is completely numerator, if it is if you will take that one to denominator, it will become under root of sin x. Correct now? Till now what you did actually, only you differentiated for a root. Correct now? Not for the function. Now tell me, function also there. For this function, if you will differentiate, what you will get? For this you will get here, for sin x, you will get here cos x. Okay, this is actually the final answer. Okay, for example, what we did here up to here, it is only for root only you solved. For x, it should be here 1, right? In this case, like that. After solving that, you need to write for its own function also differential. Now tell me, y is equals to root sin x, means it is in the format of root x. For root you are differentiating. For root, what is the answer? 1 by 2 root the function, whatever it is there. sin x. And then you are not yet differentiated for the sin x. For that sin x, you need to give the answer cos x. So the differentiation of root sin x value will become 1 by 2. Here it is cos x divided by root sin. Clear? We'll do one more. One more question. We'll solve fastly. Okay, now y is equals to root of cos x. Okay, now we'll do faster. Not cos x. It is very simple. We'll go with the higher than that. For example, cosecant x. First, for root, what is the answer you'll get? So it is 1 by 2 root of that function. Which function it is? Cosecant x. Now you have to write the answer for cosecant x differentiation. For cosecant x, it is simple, minus cosecant x into cos x. Clear my point? Clear my point? This is dy by dx. This is almost addition rule, and one more point I told here. Next, we'll come to the point of product rule and the quotient rule. Quotient rule maximum we won't get in physics, maximum places, but product rule everywhere we'll get. Product rule means simple. We'll call this as UV method. Simply we'll say this one as UV method. It means, for example, y is the function. F of x, what will take? Now, that is y is a function. It has two terms here, u and v, two terms. How to differentiate this one means, for example, dy by dx should be equals to, whenever there is a product, this is product, right? What you need to do? This is first term, this is second term. Keep first term as itself, u. Differentiate the second term with respect to the given function. Now I told dx, if it is time, dt, like that you need to differentiate. Plus, second time, keep second term as a constant, v, and differentiate the first term. We'll say first into differentiation of second plus second into differentiation of first. We call this one as UV rule or UV method. Clear my point? This is actually the product rule. We'll discuss one good example, then you will understand best. Okay. Question says here, y is equals to x to the power 4 sin x. X to the power 4 sin x. And meanwhile, while doing this product rule, we have some other further rules also inside. We called islet functions or islet rules. Okay, as of now, I'm not discussing that one. In mathematics, you will learn all those things. Which function you need to differentiate first. That is also, there is a rule. Okay, now I want to differentiate this y with respect to x. Okay, check once the function what they given. This is also x, this is also x. This is first term, this is second term. Okay, now I want to differentiate dy by dx. What I told, keep first function as constant, x to the power 4. Differentiate the function second one, sin x. Plus, second term we need to keep constant. Differentiate the first term, what they given, x to the power 4. Clear? This is actually the function how to write. First into differentiation of second plus second into differentiation of first. Okay, now tell me. Here, x to the power 4 as itself. Differentiation of sin x, it is cos x, plus sin x as itself we need to place. Differentiation of x to the power 4, it is 4 times x cubed. Done. So what is the answer you will get here? X to the power 4 cos x plus 4 x cubed sin x. This is the final answer. This is how we need to differentiate. Hope it is understood to everyone. Okay, now will we discuss one more? Good question we'll discuss. For example, Next, y is equals to e to the power x into log x. E to the power of x into log x. Two terms are there. 1, 2. First term, second term. First term and second term. Okay now? Here, we need to differentiate this with respect to x. Means dy by dx. What I told, just follow that. Keep first term as itself, e to the power of x. Differentiate the second term, d by dx of log x plus. Keep second term first constant and differentiate the first term e to the power x. Now tell me, as itself e to the power of x will be here. Differentiation of log x, what is the answer? It is 1 by x plus log x, as usually we need to place here, and differentiation of e to the power of x, it is e to the power of x itself. We discussed this in a last video. So this is what the differential equation answer. Okay, further in this two terms, actually basically you may take e to the power of x common. So dy by dx is equals to, on taking e to the power of x common, you'll get here 1 by x plus log x. This might be another format of answer. Okay, we'll discuss one more. Chain rule already we discussed. Let it be. I will take one more and we'll discuss. Here only I will discuss one more question. Question says here, y is equals to e to the power of x into cos x. We'll try to write this without writing this format of differential equation. Okay, what all we need to calculate? Dy by dx. First term, keep it is constant. Differentiate the second term. For cos x, it is minus sin x plus second term, cos x. Keep constant. You need to differentiate first term. And differentiating first term, it will be e to the power of x, means e to the power of x itself. So what is your answer now? I'm taking e to the power of x common. It is minus sin x plus cos x. Or else you might be right, e to the power of x into cos x by writing first, minus sin x we can write second. This also might be correct answer. Both also answers. Hope it is understood. Next, we'll go with I will explain here chain rule itself. That is actually product rule, condition, and the rule, how to differentiate the two terms which are in multiplication. Okay, now coming to the very important thing, chain rule. Chain rule. Now I will go with the examples only, then I will explain. Okay, very important for physics. Important. Y is equals to, I'm taking here sine 3x. This is a function. Now I want to differentiate this function with respect to x. So I will write here dy by dx. What I will write? Dy by dx. It is equals to, first we need to differentiate this sine. Here actually not sine x. It is included with 3x. Make sure and try to understand the function is not sine x. It is 3x. First, treat this whole thing as x or a function. What you can write? Differentiation of this sine 3x is simple, cos 3x. Done. But inside it has 3x. Again, we need to differentiate this term 3x. This is actually chain rule. Now, for this 3x differentiation is 3. Array, yes or no? 3 only, right? Differentiate 3 common if you take outside. D by dx, dx by dx means 1. So, what is the answer you got? Dy by dx is equals to 3 times cos 3x. If you're not understanding means no problem. We'll discuss 2 more questions. Until your understanding, we'll discuss. Okay, 1 more question. Y is equals to, I will write sine ax. Again, we'll practice this one. We'll practice. First, what all we need to do here? Differentiate this function with respect to x, I told. Dy by dx. Okay, differentiate this. Whole function we need to differentiate. For sine x, it is simple, sir. It is cos x. But here it is cos ax. Further, for ax, you need to differentiate. A is constant if you take outside. Dx by dx means 1. So answer will be A. So what is the answer you'll get here? Dy by dx is equals to A cos x. Understood? So hope it is understood. Next one. Next. Listen. Question says here, y is equals to sine omega t. No need to worry what I written. It doesn't matter for anybody here. Okay. We'll call this one omega as angular velocity. You learned this one in already 11th. If you're actually watching after 10th means there is no problem. I written something here. Now I want to differentiate this with respect to time. Means not with respect to x. With respect to time, this is t. So how to write this value? We have to write this one dy by dt. Now it is completely in terms of time. So sine x instead of the given sine t. Though what you need to do? Simple, sir. Now it is sine omega t. So we'll write this one as cos omega t. Function change. Next, inside omega t is there. For this omega t, again you need to differentiate with respect to time itself. So it is like this, d by dt of omega t. Omega is a constant. Take omega outside, it will be dt by dt. This dt by dt is value here 1. So you'll get omega. That is what actually I did in 2 cases. So for this function, what you'll get here? Omega outside. So dy by dt answer will be omega into cos omega t. Omega into cos omega t. Hope it is understood to everyone here. Okay, now if I'll come to the point of application of physics. Okay, there are a lot of applications are there. Okay, for example, what you studied in your 9th standard, that questions only I will take, but it is in the format of differential equation. For example, I will take the distance traveled by the particle is given by distance we are representing with x now. Okay, it is given by like 3t cube plus 4t square plus 2. Okay, this is how actually a particle is covering distance. I will ask, what is the value of velocity? What I will ask? Velocity I will ask. How to define velocity? V is equals to your writing dx by dt. It is the rate of change of distance, so displacement. Okay, speed. Okay, we can talk about speed if you don't know this. Okay, now distance, if you will differentiate with respect to time, it will give speed. It will give speed. Now we'll do one thing. We'll put that value here, d by dt of what is the function they given, how the particle is covering the distance, 3t square plus 4t plus 2. Look, it is in the format of addition rule. So simple, differentiate by differentiate by each and every function. So differentiation of 3t square, 3, shift the power down, 3 into 2 into t square differentiation is t, plus for 4t answer will become 4, constant with respect to t it is 1, and for 2 it is constant of any differentiation 0. So answer will become here 60 plus 4. This is speed. This is how you need to calculate the value of what we can say, differential equations in physics. Going forward, I will let you know each and every chapter. Meanwhile, try to understand what actually is going on. Okay. Now look this equation. What you got here? V is equals to 60 plus 4. Wonderful, wonderful. Look at that one. This equation is looking like exactly y is equals to mx plus c. Unfortunately, I received this answer. Okay, y is equals to mx plus c. Straight line equation you got. Means if I draw a straight line equation, look, c stands for intercept. Where it is getting intercept? In y-axis, we have to take here v. X-axis, we have to take here time. For this, it is at 4, plus 4. Correct now? Plus 4 means we can choose this point. This is the point. Correct? And slope is 6. That is also positive. Positive slope means tan theta or theta, the line will make less than 90 degree. Means the line has to go like this. Correct my point? Are you understood? Understood. This is how the line actually existing. If they will ask, what is this angle theta? It is very simple. Angle is calculated by slope. Correct my point? Slope is equals to m. That is nothing but tan theta. Now tell me, what is the m value here? It is 6. So tan theta is equals to 6, or theta is equals to tan inverse of 6. Look, each and every way actually we can connect with mathematics along with physics. This is the best example which I took here. By saying this, I'm going to winding up this session. We'll meet in our next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.